So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to see PayPal card number on app. So first off, you'll need to open your PayPal app. So once you do, it's going to look something like this. Tap on your PayPal balance or go to the wallet tab. So once you're here, you can select your PayPal debit card that you've added, and then you can see or click on the eye icon to reveal or copy your 16-digit card number. If you're trying to view some other type of card, you will need some other instructions maybe for that specific card, but for most cards, including your debit card, it's going to work like that. So it's going to be under your PayPal balance, or you're going to need to click on your wallet, which is going to give you that option of banks and cards that you've added. So you can click on that specific card that you've added, click on it, click on that eye icon. That's going to enable you to see for that specific card what was the digit, or rather the number on the card that you've added. So you can see it on there. You won't have to search for that card someplace else. You can just find the necessary information for that card if you are asked about it somewhere else, so you can access it through there, and it's going to be a part of your PayPal account, and your PayPal balance also will be affected by it, so you can just check it out through your wallet or clicking on your balance. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.